Gadget World for the best technical advice.
Hello and welcome to Gadget World, your one-stop destination for the best technical advice. Ever since the introduction of Apple AirPods into the market, we have seen many manufacturers trying to get into the space. And although we haven't seen any product which is as good as the Apple AirPods, we have seen many competitors coming up with similar products which kind of look similar, and there are also other products, cheaper products as well. And we yet haven't found a good product which can compete with the Apple AirPods, but luckily right now we have something with us which is kind of as good as the Apple AirPods. I won't say as good, but still it can be comparable, and it is the Oppo Enco W51 TWS. TWS is a new thing in the market right now. TWS means True Wireless Stereo Headset, and this is what I have, and the packing kind of looks like an Apple product, and I'm very much excited to open it. So it retails for a price of around 4,999, and that is less than half the price of an Apple AirPod, or if you're looking at the Apple AirPod Pro, it is almost like 1/3 the price. And this is kind of gives you the features of an Apple AirPods Pro, and it has active noise cancellation, and it is a feature-rich product. So before we get into all the features, let's go ahead and unbox this and see what else we have inside. So I need to slide it out. Okay, let me slide. Yeah, and this is what I have here. I like the way it is kept inside the box. It's almost like opening a jewelry box, and this is what we get. Oops, it's not coming out. Let me try to take it out. Yeah. So this is the case. So it is obviously inspired from the Apple's design itself, but let me keep it aside for the time being, and let's see what else is inside the box. So inside you get two more boxes, and this should be the it's the charging cable. So we have a Type-C charging cable, and it can be connected to this part. It has a small tiny light over here. It's an LED bulb over here, so it blinks while it charges. And what else do we have? And we also have the cushions of different sizes, and they are also listed it as a large, small and extra small. So I like the way that they have provided this kind of a case with it to keep the cushion. So there is a possibility that if you get cushions, you will get it displayed somewhere, or you throw it somewhere and you lose it. But when you have something like this, it's easy to store it. So I like the fact that they have provided us with all these things. And let me also look at what is written on the box itself. So if you look at the box, so they have written here it has hybrid active noise cancellation. So for under 5,000 rupees, you are actually getting active noise cancellation, which itself is a big thing. So you're getting the value for the money you're paying, and it has wireless charging. So that is another surprise. If you try to buy any other true wireless headset under 5,000 rupees, there is no way you're getting to get wireless charging, and this is a surprise edition. And it also has triple mic for noise cancellation. So it is an active noise cancellation, so it has triple mics. And one more thing is that it's IP54 water and dust resistant. So this is pretty great for the price you get. So let me go ahead and open it. And normally all the true wireless headsets opens this way, and surprisingly this opens almost like a ring box or a jewel box. This opens in this direction, and it has been placed beautifully inside it. So it has the normal magnet, just like it gets snapped onto it, and you have a small button for pairing here, and you have an LED light as well. So I like the way it has been designed, and this is the device itself. So it is almost kind of similar to the Apple AirPod Pro, and it also feels a bit chunky, but still it's very lightweight. Even though it looks a bit chunky, it has very lightweight. So let me look at all the microphones it has. So the box says it has 3 microphones. So one is here, this tiny dot is a microphone. So this could be the microphone which actually helps in taking your voice when you're making calls. And you have another almost like a hidden microphone here which works in the active noise cancellation, and you have one more microphone here. So each headset has 3 microphones, so which means that you're totally getting like 6 microphones. That is one of the reasons why you're getting pretty good noise cancellation in it. And if you look at other features, and it almost gives a battery life of like 3.5 hours of audio playback or phone calls if you are using active noise cancellation, and if you are not using active noise cancellation it may go up to 4 to 5 hours. So that is pretty decent for the price you pay. And standby time, of course, you get a lot of standby time, and this case is capable of charging at up to 3 to 3.5 cycles. So what is written on the box is that you will get 24 hours of battery backup once you charge it, and it takes around 2.5 hours to charge it once. So once you charge it, then you can use it for a long time, which is a good thing. So right now let's put this device to test. So the real testing is when you connect it to your phone and try listening to some music or take some phone calls. So for pairing it to a device, what you need to do is just open this device and long press this icon. So the light is turning into blue right now. So I have my iPhone SE with me here right now, and it has been listed. The name has already popped up in my list, so I've selected it, and that's about it. So it's connected. So the connection part is pretty rapid, and it's a very slick process. You don't have to break your headset connecting. If you buy a cheaper headset, you might have trouble connecting it, but I tried connecting it for the first time, and it hardly took me less than 10 seconds to connect it. Let me also look at other features as well. So you have these two black dots here. So these are the sensors which lets the device know that you have plugged it into your ear canal. So it sits comfortably in my earlobes, and it doesn't feel uncomfortable at all. And you also have an option to disable the active noise cancellation by simply double tapping it right here. So when I double tap it, I get a voice notification that the noise cancellation has been disabled or enabled. So that is also something good. So let's say if you're listening to music and somebody talks to you suddenly, and you don't need to rip it off, you don't need to take it off, you just need to double tap it here, and it quickly disables the active noise cancellation, and you will be able to come back to the environment and speak with the people around you. And it also have other functions, like if you want to move to the next track, you can put a single tap, and if you want to activate the Google Assistant, you can simply give 3 taps. So in terms of functionality, that is pretty much you get from a premium device. It also has these other features that you get in a TWS headset. So if you're listening to music and you pull one of the earbuds from your ears, it automatically stops the music on your app, and you don't need to touch the play button to get it back playing. You just need to keep it back, and the app will automatically play it. So that is one of the intelligent features that this true wireless stereo headset has. And it also comes with a 420 mAh battery. So as I said, if you charge for 2.5 hours, it will give you a decent battery life. And if you look at the music quality, so that is something that you should be looking at when you are buying something like this. So that is one thing which sets it apart from its competitor. So in the market, you have other competitors like the Realme or the OnePlus or even the Vivo coming up with similar headsets, and you also have other manufacturers like Boat also, which is coming up with similar heads in the same price range. But this headset gets the active noise cancellation and the wireless charging. And if you look at the sound quality, what we have found out is the calls are pretty decent and the bass is really good. So if you're listening to music, we can give a 8 out of 10 for the bass, and the mids and highs and the vocals are also pretty decent enough. So if you're looking to buy a headset which is under 5,000, which is reliable, which is a branded one, and which also has wireless charging and active noise cancellation, this we would definitely recommend this headset. So you can get it online and also in offline stores for a price of less than 5,000 rupees, just under 5,000 rupees for a price of 4,999. So that's about it about this device. I'll keep it back in the box, and we'll be back with another gadget right after the break.
Gadget World for the best technical advice.